hwe na san hwe bio se na munim no adwuma de yedi free ohima ekrom ana ebre wo ne ye Hot Digital Radio owura na ye friend Van Dyke ye ne kwa akotwitwi nkomo nti yenko yo send na mekano so we share half the best Ghanaian station in the diaspora Hot Digital Radio na ene ye ne owura Van Dyke ono na only Hot Digital Radio no Ghana radio station wo ohima krum na ya ba beji na konwa ye ne ba betwitwi gonko da no on eji akonwa obusa amanfo nsem ne ye ne ba betwitwi nkomo bebre ohwe nkrata ya ekuta mi ya na jesem ye nsem tro ni yi ye pese be mistake enti ya hihye ni nyina wo so pepepe owura boko de
William bia boko
ye ne de maju akonwa em se ye oya
ola si ye bia ye de wa media le sa na ye champion one champion
we there we abo enti be busa hot questions because hot enti yesra we beka about VMS which is Van Dyke Music Service.
Van Dyke Music and Services.
Yeah.
Well, I know my company now. Me am personal company I'm running.
Yes. And no dey be na mo ye.
Now a shop you be and you turn CDs and DVDs back in the day. Satan now computer nyamba.
Sir.
And you know hardly now social media not say.
Now.
And now it's social media not taking
vibrant, yeah.
Very good. It's not VMS. Mainly now you run a CD shop only DVDs. And you turn Ghana.
They say they need hobby.
Well, as I said, no, because of social media, no, it's not what Ghana. Any hobby, so simple.
Any hobby na ye pese hu adiko ti a nye say ye pese ye hu secret be say ye say abefo na want me anya bibia a obetumi move from analog to the digital platforms
well
you Van Dyke Music Service online.
Yes, still there comfort as beside you. There's some classic music that let me show you a movie.
Yeah.
The top on the Saturdays area.
Yeah.
And when you go baby. But me that's no business question because I feel that there should be a platform on the online. But it doesn't move like before, no. Who don't say this name as if now now because business no was running. So it's a bit.
I used to look at
I used to.
Na Mr. Mekan say a move, sir. But if you are there's always the first time for everything. If you are kakra no, I'm for be ba ho abehwehwe.
Okay.
Even abroche kra no, abrofom kra de bi o ha egu. Enya wonku.
Yeah.
But you perceive who say you will never be o wa amafo to be transfer and now transitioning from the analog era no e back digital stage so and na perceive who say what do you know say in the future no which might be
it's possible
because now Van Dyke Music Service Okuma na say na vibrant.
It's true.
Back in the time.
True. I think that's a good question, officer. We shall look forward to it.
Okay.
There is how best idea. It makes me about social media now. Yeah, move on.
Yeah, that's it. Now, overstand can about your childhood in Ghana. Anyway, be a free.
Okay. Oka Van Dyke appear Kubia.
A registered name.
Dear, never party Van Dyke. Me, we are paying the partner. Ghana, dear. Oka Van Dyke, we never got to meet you. But I was born in Kumasi. Yawomi Wasafo. I grew up in Aswa. Aswana, the Unica Cam, the Papa Gucci. It was Aswa, the Oka America, for land they have it. Maybe I'm a Kubia, no more like a Kia Kubia. Kubia lives Aswa in the Massa from your home. The school, Kakra, Kumasi. I went to Royal International.
Oh, I said we know the cool school.
Oh, sir.
Yeah.
Okay,
now, Asukwa Tio. Dr. Clark Neti, Mrs. Woodfie.
Okay.
Man hotel, and
the hotel.
I'm a school or a kindergarten or St. Benedict.
Okay.
I'm Boko Royal.
Okay.
I'm Boko
Estate.
Accra.
Okay. Okay. It's a small word.
Yeah.
You ask the Bible, say, yeah, WAT some part. Oh, crack. Also, meeting Ghana was also you did a tremendous on the marvelous job for UK on the social media. Every time I read your interview, I must be the more.
Yes.
You're doing a very great job.
And then I call number hometown.
If we are just so, as a district, you know, it will be about 10 minutes and I'll play 15 minutes. Now what do you crew? And go vote him up. In the olden days, not yet. I know no more. I want to go, but I don't whisker. You know, we are free or it's got full bloom 1 year.
Okay. Now you walk Ghana idea from Ghana to the UK. Your experience. Time I move from Ghana and I move by now.
No, sir. Because of my big brother, and my big brothers. Over there, America, London, Germany, there. In fact, we teenagers they enjoy it because BBR was there for us.
What kind of enjoyment? BBR was there. My enjoyment.
What was there? Ghana here, no. Asqua, what you are? That you feel what's up for? How do you say? That obviously.
Yeah.
You are availability of everything like
is there.
That time, you know, be old TV, old video deck, VHS. And
Patrick too.
And young go. Second is that yeah, the club even say what? Yeah, Jimmy Papa so. Honestly, we party, but as far as I mean, in fact, they enjoy. But my young Juma Ghana.
Yeah.
With your hand and I'm maybe buy because school account Tottenham bus. We had drop out that
yeah.
Me boss, the Lisa Mike. And I'm doing a TR through that experience and then me joining on radio as well. And training me. So it got to a point and guys said, me back on ground. And this will be all digital on that. Landing had it. I hadn't been here. I hadn't started a Juma before now. My car was here, so which I did love it because let me just go. Maybe I know ferry. Yeah. But my car was around just come.
We're down to earth.
Yes. It's the train and we be radio here. Yamiadum to say no. It's really one of the biggest stations, including Ghana. They call Ghana. You know, there's a many pieces of once in a year. Yeah. And that's why it's really for the next more. Comes back and because the experience here, Nyakopon Ayi, San Mekanson, because you want me buy, you know, the Yamia BPA, no, Nyakopon Mamizens from that. And we thank God for where we are right now.
Thank you. So, say, you know, you're being come about promotions.
Okay.
Because at least, and as he himself, maybe you will now promote to
very, very well.
Now, what Jayana?
Well, because me said that but your community right now, no. Your community right now, no. And the MMP, you know, on the because of, let me be honest.
Yeah.
Tamana computer word name I am. Yeah. Now we promotions because now any social gathering
yeah.
And our social interventions be our Ghanaian community yeah. It is a whole event. Yeah. Everybody will be there because we can no call moment. And say now online no buy no. Ama we events any fan said that man. Sometimes said na make no. Na phone enya komo. Another phone cry baba no need too much. And na digital phones. Analog. What is okay? Yes. And you know, sir, and then Ubo event because the phones you cry. There are so many. And you may offer this one. Obey me at 3 I enjoy. Yeah. Yeah, like you actually DVDs to buy. Yes. By a time, no. About 1991, 92, 93, up to 98, you know. Yeah. Now social media, Facebook, you know. Yeah. And yeah, I yes. Nancyana,
Nanya vibrant, sir.
Very good. Nancyana, WhatsApp, a buyer, Facebook, you know, to buy. Ama social, you know, networking, you know. Yeah. I am popular. They say Ubo event no one here. Crack. I'm going to be honest with you. One way I'm a but the more quality yeah. We need to spend money. But Ghanaians will let you down.
Sir.
Oh, trust me.
Who is that in Ghana for let you down? Now, pay entertainment.
And I make us before, no. That's social media, anyone, you know. Right now, no call. Facebook,
fine.
And a YouTuber.
I wonder there. What can?
And your life, bro,
yes.
Baby recorded.
Yes.
But
what can hold on?
Yeah.
What can hold on? What can you? Why are they? Now, and when you phone there, I wouldn't agree with you saying when you phone so only that connected to social media, sir. It's in when you phone to me, no. Who promote to Adena to them, who connected to them from the level. I think they will come.
They will come, but you have to look the structure and the content of the event you are bringing them.
Yeah.
Can who say after 2000 you have to be changing?
Yeah.
Embassy Kasam.
A recession time.
Recession, no?
Yeah.
Before, no. Because many of mafia,
yeah.
Many Dr. Sammy the late.
Yeah.
Near Uko or Musha Pukrana. Which out to be all that, we are going to be a change. But of late,
it's not like
sales doesn't come any easy, sir. What does it? And a reception in the buyer, the man, you probably bring what you know. And see, first, but scan the grown.
Yeah,
and the ones have you. It would have been realistic.
Yeah, definitely. You've been real. Yeah, you've been real.
Life, you know, easy. Before that, California, but over here, Chroma, top promoters, Dennis Teria,
yeah,
Alodia,
yeah,
they still do one or two,
yeah,
but because they have like
the
there is a part, not the following, but you're more party in the park,
yeah,
it's once,
yeah, a year,
yeah, and social network be a we know now for
yeah,
will be going to be free outside the bar.
Oh yeah,
a lot of Miss Ghana UK,
yeah,
which is numbers in the public back,
yeah,
because ultimately artists bear 15, 20 figure number,
yeah,
and yeah easy, but a kind of production on the banner. And I'm saying a Miss Ghana UK once a year. They prepare the whole year. But I remember a year said that the VMS was doing maybe 3 months, 6 months behind the boy events. My boy match the day, my boy friend Ponsa, my boy so many artists.
Yeah.
But of late, what is killing us is that Ghanaians doesn't go out when you bring artists from Ghana.
Some
reason why being that is that a year any parties are dominating is here.
I didn't say.
Because Okonum said Okonum be free. Okay, the kind of right now the way it's here a year any parties are. I have fashion here. Sir, who confirm conjoin Piaba. Na party be so. Now, why was this social net to guess? Who must forget the craft for guess? Who said the movie here? Over more than 20 pounds. Over complain. Yeah, I can't be as a spend the hot surface now. I'm about spending for that.
Until they rather, and let us say, Martin organization, let's say, oh, promotion now, you have to really look around, say, never be you are air costo. Now, do they not be
very good? Now, no one worry me, I mean, I'm here. Bank holidays, especially Easter Sunday, August Carnival weekend, and me a May bank holiday, and now Boxing Day, and then I'm here. But and the real media, the penukre esne, obu oha, oye events or boka de be about a percent of what is it, or then the but me I won't do that because.
Oh yes, I said now you're a good businessman. Oh, you're back now feeling now you're now
number of cases of some of the over but they won't patronize. What does it? If you are not changing and the promotions there, and you're going to be a promotion by a major, you probably be a promotions here. What does it? And first, but now to be the line here on Nema. But it's I like now.
In your view,
what an almost wife was and you know, it's very difficult.
Wow. Share that's our review. Now, as I say, no, try your comedy so now, first of all, not a hot 9,000. And I've done a hot digital.
Okay.
And so I want to say,
okay, beautiful for there on 9,090.
Yes.
If you ask the over bra, Oko ni no. Now yes sakra for the betterment. And I said them kind you know. Na analog said you kind. But ene no abẹ digital. You cry we are forced to be a DA because you feature no. Because we are sick on anymore. Now so yes oko ni. Right now no was so good and as Facebook live. Yeah. I buy out me interviews now before. YouTube was here like I buy. And you know and I'm networking in social you know. And I'm called digital now. I'm going to advance here. Said you be very rich. We are seeing now. Before you start your landing one. But I say baby oh we are seeing baby the one we are hot digital online.com. Yeah. The best Ghanaian station in the diaspora. And then you say be a obi because say be a big man who has for. You my no. The baby dance say boy home. Juma ben na wo Yedi and what does it say? Well, sir, well, what do you still see? I compare Ghana radio stations, Libya. I walk Ghana, the Ghana, Ghana. Oh, how the global will be the best. Okay, nobody can take us from us. Okay, but Ghana, by the example of ABR, Adum FM, Peace FM, Joy, Money, local ones. Afro station Fox. What to Accra Fox. What they do, we do the same apart from maybe a news one. They give free Peace FM for the last 20 years. Now, Aboriginal news near. News casting, no? It's a whole lot of. And then you are and the global, your radio, no. So, but yes, a community radio. And secondly, DJs no. And yeah, full time. Normally we are in 1 day or 2 days to support the community. But although it looks like a commercial radio station, but with the support of the DJs no, and yeah, be a commercial radio station. And you know, so you can't see any news. And I've been in Ohimekrom UK. News is free back home and ever. Uzi, we have Valentine where money issues here. We manifest stations there for 3. And it's good for us because interviews be a possible. Ghana no pebi and here Jimmy now. That's here near there. Ministers the government all reach home and then go to program. Okay. And what did they make us? Yeah. In the Kaya news no in ya information we now come there can be to meet my head. But here is the money sir. But that one now we say radio station now more support to the Ghanaian community. Yes, we are. Especially the Omomo UK and the diaspora. Yeah. Now community needs to support them. That's a big question. I mean, always. I know that. Obunya obi question always obi o CBN. You've been to our events twice or. I don't. And I don't blame them too much. Say them crying. Before your event from Berlin time, Lady Papa brought a farm. But because we are changing here. If you work on it's been it's not over the past 3-4 years to be here. Who's your annual event at the end? Yeah. Hot program at the end. Yeah. About 5 years in the journey. I didn't because I hear the farm support here. And so said radio who teach market to every man for soon. Yes, now we are then I call 3 days. Now the castle Yamian Munyam, I want to go in radio. Oh yes. Doctors, lawyers. Now someone go to me from it. Somebody said, I mean, how did you do it? You can say there 20 years. But August we can by the end of this month. By a year into a 2 years ago. Now the people play. Me see doctors, name lawyers are from me and to go to Babylon. But unfortunately, I didn't know. I said, in the corona, you had it. Oh, I had it. I had it, to be honest. Yo, share, na sa review. Mr. Van Dyke. Yeah. Could you say, oh boy, now managing a team of talents as radio presenters and DJs. Easy and that's difficult. Very difficult. very difficult. But they didn't carry that. The presenters only DJs now. Anyhow, any means.
Yes.
Who is that? There's one or two controversies. Yes, we are a coso. I have been more. DJs with you. You must be honest.
Yeah.
More no more passing. And now, my judgment is almost 7 community. There be a project of what I say. We make mistakes because we have to was a movie. We to be find a bag so if we are in the mouth.
Yeah.
And I'm at now say, not 7 was a million.
Yeah.
Why near my idea, Mary? Upon you are complacent by me, no Mukasa. But you shouldn't be in the room and as a woman in the
But never met son, I know we are.
Oh, say I mean, your complaints. Oh, did you know what to all can't be? Oh, you be more do also. I'm going to the lap of Mamino Mukasa. But managing a team of over 25 people, most it's not easy. Easy for the last 20 years. The catchers have many presenters. You can have the most presenters, Ubia Yuma. Ghana, DJ Bieno or top of Abekroma. Oh, yeah, Jumawa.
George Boone winning alpha.
Obia, George Boone, Fifi Pratt,
Yeah.
Charles Bossman, my main man.
Yeah.
KKD, I was glad as you
a friend's name.
I'm here
also from Bon.
Kwaku, there's something in the sun.
Yeah.
In fact, it should be, there be a credit, you know. Morning show, or no, and the mayor says you.
Yeah.
No, be a morning show. The other people are rabbi, some move boy, but then you so, and yet only political program I am said there. Now, I'm going to buy
Anna will actually so.
We say we leave the channel on the source. Before we leave, there's so many people on my morning show. I didn't need a dozen.
Now, Mr. O, will be a hot no. Not rivalry, no. We need WBLS.
Oh, who's that? My boss, we didn't have one of the answer me review at the cry, me a come here. Maybe I will be on me as I become a prayer. Only pay only every year you might not support him beginning. No, not easy, but actually, no. Friend me, essentially, no, in the late years of his life, I mean, the bomb from our ministry, but beginning the not easy. It too much.
It drew maybe. Oh, radio life woman who sounds say no, you will make time. Pain. I happen to you say, I didn't quite could be sad rich.
Oh, it became a part of me. And he said, because he made die there. My fun never be brave.
Yes.
If one I do 4 o'clock, you have a roof is also.
Yes.
Because Obianim said, Sabi, he didn't answer.
Yes.
But police were brought from Krano. One time, you almost me.
Yeah.
What do you call Forest Gate Police Station? I was there. Who interviewed me? I'm going to make a say. I don't know how do I say me because almost here. Now you want to see it to me a year radio as a more or less like a registered radio.
Yeah.
Now me know I'm interview me. I'm a kind of crew in national. Now me so Mumbai near your lances.
I don't know.
I said I want to go court, but by and by, no. I'm a jamming artist. A coin, actually, no, let me try to give me your answers. My try first one, the Sanka. The reason why I'm in Sanka, no. Come on, yes, can you read answers? A signature. But Ghana for years will be on core computers now. Among call because I need numbers not be penny.
Hey, let us say, now, radio didn't want no moose soon or now. Oh, no,
That's no more tears here. Just in the mouth. Yakan was a man, the next one ever balance. If I try you, by blue eyes will be our cop. None of course I know signature or address. Number of people are a support to.
Why should I promote no radio to say I'm from Korea?
Okay, beginning now, I started the application. Let's say, no. And of the bar say, here numbers. Which is almost half a million to 1 million.
Come on, I am Yankakra because within the Ghanaian community, Yana and same because you say, if you say on penal, level no penal, say,
oh, how?
How?
One the TV as well as the via Sabi, we are no. But God grace, yes, I can answer, no boy. And now, it will be there for the future of our children. It's not for me.
Yeah.
Me to be a retired. Your mother as well as soon. And you know, the vampire is yes, I be mainly Ghanaian community radio Kuma.
Now you know Elbon Kume, at the end I'll say Ghana for or more show Ghana, more show Amanone, a radio station.
Oh, the person move on once back Europe and as a worldwide outside Ghana. No. This particular radio station is there for entire Ghanaians the whole world, especially UK and abroad.
Yeah.
We are serving as one of the big stations like Peace or Adom.
Yeah.
You will be your newscasters your presenters you will do political programs, your volume sports pastors, you go about 20 pastors here. Commercial adverts in Yamiadum, companies in a crowd of you know, go so good. We are moving on.
Me buy a crowd, you are almost a summer and the crowd in Chile. Maybe I say, she, no, I said, not she.
Okay.
Maybe I say, she,
not her.
good. 1, 2, 3, she,
not her.
not review. It's if you never pan or condom.
If you never called the party, I mean the local.
There's a local, you will be a bit
of seeing by then.
Hey, enemy,
you tree. Continue your Buana, your Bua.
What and one another.
No one more could show me.
Who's say?
Could show me in a cool.
Who's a standard.
We look out food. The best food, no.
Now, for no lie.
For we didn't once a month, they go for some of why I don't visit for a month. Me, you'll be able to tell you for we didn't once a month.
Wow, it's I appreciate your best.
I appreciate the body and the action so far.
Yes,
no trip. You Yaduano.
Yes,
now the cat the could be at no fear. And one also me no. Ah, say if free. Why will be free? You're very young.
Now, the commono ever because you would be a new one continue. Dear Nama 4 elbow boy, any dear, a chumka cray. What you know was saying? A coy. And I'm going to generation not changing.
If you look way back from the time I'm concerned, you are talking about Ghana Numa, and I'm Pedu, KJC, Adolfo, Pablo Bomo,
yes,
AB Kelso,
yes,
CK man.
Oh, boys, I will love.
Papa Yancy. What is it?
Yes.
That time, I say now, you guys say, tell me, brother, movie Germany by and Lidio to move,
yes,
Thomas got a old members.
Yeah.
The no actually can say,
Samoa. Oh, that's it.
Yes, and Braco,
Asawado,
Ben Braco,
yes,
by Holland Voy Cry, but ever say, oh, they no boss are Yalomoyama. Kessa, okay, my very good. Omunina. Who's a trend in her life? No, yeah, quarter, and I say, I'm Mamreno, and only a day.
Yeah,
it's not sometimes no, we are so dead. In fact, and then crowd have like me, this is what. If I was sorry, no, the crowd of the super. But after 2000, no, and now.
What changes here?
Whatever the late 90s,
and now my phone changes.
I Minipa boss is here. Ready to cry about it. So I only are quite bad land or quite Americana. Yes, we be the reply. Me and me ready. A squad boy, Eja. There was a very grandpapa.
Grandpapa.
Was a group president.
I know. Bagube.
Eti Regimo. Reggie for America, UK. A buy out this. Hip life in the buy.
Yeah.
And now you move tea breeze and bubble CCL.
Hey.
I also say as a kitwa. Lord Kenya as we so. TikTok. Yes. Follow me now. Why? Yes. It's a bit changing trend, you know.
Yeah.
Our Ghana, yeah. But yes, still no. Not high life from no. It's why I need events. If you're matching the day bar near the Columbia, I want. Suffer wrestling and so many places. Right now, no, Obama high life, no. Cough. Now, I am a middle for Ricasa, Grandpa Zakazan, and Sunday. I was Germany. But I knew him, he's very, very tight. Okay. But I look what I said, your mark, your cheat, era.
Eti, Ura Van Dyke. Football bay, Anna, Sabe, Obi, Peso, BA radio station, and I say, or Peso, DJ. And I say, the condo and your man, your man, ya, Ekoswai. As I'm Ben, I walk with my catches and papa.
A football there, if you are say, yes, Bema be before I'm getting in a telephone news happen. Then a meeting I can be now. They call them retire. Now, your friend there, I think you when I say over. First, by that, I have one program at Cha. Now, say you didn't collaborate with my room.
Yeah,
I'm a lady who are Lady G on the handle. Yeah, you were another discussion program, John Colano. You were junior cartoons. Also, bad, but also lie or your politics. There's variety of programs. Yeah. Football man say, "Who say, who be DJ and also say, who be president here?" Yeah, that was so sure niye. But men ya homa so. Because we be out ya homa so a. The Bible say, "So pray once here." Obe mouse. And now, say, "Oma once so a." Obe pray was. It's a program to be able to go down. Until what they are brasserie no was that the couple of shroud who was showing not that you know. Because here they are going, we say there are some presenters who have music and we are more big radio stations now, they do very good. Yeah. To be a baby, I know in the video. You know,
and that's it.
That's about video. The visual crack.
Good.
That's about the visual.
Yo, I have one here for so we got next day the Jumana Eba the best Ghanaian station in the diaspora. A hot nene, you buy a number between common and you Ura Van Dyke could be appear and a between common and paso or Tino Superm or near Tanasi, I drink common. So, person di a Jumabia, what you may be idea of Roma, Belmo, on best support. They're only here for you, for the Ghanaian community. Thank you.